Want to wrap text around images on your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step to give your content that clean pro-level look. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Head to Pages from the left menu and click on All Pages. Pick the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, find the text section you want to work with and click the pencil icon. In the left panel, under the Content tab, click on Add Media. Choose an image from your media library and hit Insert into Post. The image will appear, but by default, it sits above the text. To wrap text around it, click on the image and choose an alignment, left or right. Then, switch to the Text tab next to Add Media. You'll see the HTML code for the image. Here, you can tweak the width and height to better fit your layout and control how the text flows around the image. Switch back to the Visual tab and you'll see the changes instantly. You can drag the image within the text block and adjust the alignment, left, right, or center, as needed. The text will now wrap around your image, just like on professional websites. So, thinking of leveling up your web design game? I always use Elementor. It's super easy and powerful. Check it out with my affiliate link below and dive right in. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.